Good evening. So just now I tried with Arduino ESP connection of relay, connection of LED. Everything has been working well, and I have recorded it also. The recording I will show you. That would be better. Here, first I would like to show you how do we start working on Arduino software. And how do we configure the things. First we will do that thing, then I shall show you the process. How did we run that, and how did we make switches and all in Blink. So let me share the screen, and here I have to share this one. So this is the software for your ESP programming. This is Arduino software. So as you open this, very first I had told in the evening, now also I shall tell you, we should go to File, Preference link. Click this. As you click this preference link, this will be opened. And here you see, here, can you see this? Additional Board Manager. Additional Board Manager. Let me annotate it also. Here, Additional Board Manager. And here you have to paste preference link. And where will you get this preference link? You go to Google and search ESP8266 preference link. Copy that and paste here. Okay. Fine. So now you have to make it okay. After preference, you have to go to tools. In tools, you have to go to board. Here you see, by default, actually here you will find Arduino. I have already selected here Node MCU. So when you will open it first time, Arduino will be there. You have to go to board manager. So as you go to board manager, here you see. Yeah, done. See, now it is very fast. So here actually you can search. Here you can search ESP8266. As you will search after preference, if you don't give preference link, yes, your ESP won't come here. So click that and search ESP. As you search ESP, driver will come, and there you will get option this side, like this. You see, you will get option to install. It is Arduino. So your ESP will come. See, here you see downloading platform index. So it will take some time. So I won't wait for this. Here you see, you have to search ESP. As you search ESP, it is already installed here, you see. And when you will do, it won't be installed. It will come like this in the same way. And here you will get option install. You click install, it will take some time, and this will get installed. This driver of ESP will get installed. Okay. After that, you have to close it. Then you have to go to tools again here. You have to go to tools. It will come. Here we have tools. In tools, we have to go to this. Okay, here it would be Arduino initially. So here you go and you scroll it. As you scroll, you will find ESP. Okay, but you don't select ESP. Here you see ESP. You don't select ESP. You go to Node MCU 1.0 ESP 12E module. You select that one. Okay. So as you select, here your board will become Node MCU. It means now this software will work for Node MCU. After that, you have to go to Sketch. In Sketch, you have to go to include library, and here you have to add your library. Now, which library? You have to work with the ESP. ESP is already done. You can go to Google, and there you can search ESP library, and option will come to download the file. It will be downloaded in zip. Then you have to work with Blink, BLYNK. So Blink library also you have to download. Then if you have to work with that DHT, that DHT 11 or DHT 22 module, this is temperature and humidity sensor. So its library you need to download. So whatever you use, it's the library you will have to download. Like another platform is Things Speak. If you want to work with that, that library you need to download. So all those libraries you have to add here, add zip library. But I have seen sometimes it will be added, but it won't work. Some libraries. So better what you do, you go to my document. You go to my document. I shall show you actually. You go to my document. I shall share that. Where is it? Where is it? Here. So you see, it has come. Here you have to go to documents. In document, already Arduino folder will be available. As you install Arduino software, it will be this Arduino folder will come to my document. There you double click. Library folder is there. Double click, and all your libraries you can paste here. But better you unzip first. Unzip. Take all the folders inside from that unzip. You will get some folders. All those folders you paste here. That is it. Your library will be added. No need to go to Sketch, include library, add zip. Directly you come here and paste it. So it was document, Arduino folder, library folder. In library folder, you have to paste. Done. Now again, I go back to Arduino software. Okay. So those things you understood: preference, then board manager. After that, sketch, include library. That you all these things you have to do. After that, you can select all these and can copy your program. I have taken it from internet. I have saved it. So that I shall copy and will paste to the software here. Control V. I shall paste it here. Fine, done. Now, few things you need to change here. Few things you need to make change here. First is your here authentication number. What authentication number? Your Blink authentication number. Blink authentication number. Okay. For that Blink authentication number, what to do? Let me show you in its video. Okay. So let me share the video how we do the things with Blink application. So here is your video. Let me share this. See this. So in your Android phone, you have to go to Play Store. In your Android phone, you have to go to Play Store. See this. So you go to Play Store, you see, here it is. There you search Blink, BLYNK. So click there, and Blink I had already searched. So it is there. Now this symbol you see, this one you have to install. Install it. So first it is downloading. After that it will be installed. And you see it is installed. open it. As you open, you have to log in. If you have not logged in, then create a new account. Okay, you create a new account. I have already one login password. So you can give your email ID. Why you need to give your email ID? So that its authentication number come to that email. So you have to enter your email ID. I think when you make it first time, you have to sign up with your email ID. Okay, and login. So you will do sign up. As you do sign up, it was already here. You see, it was already here. I had made it earlier. So I shall delete it first. You see, you don't need to do all this because you will get this screen actually. After sign up, you will get that screen. First, you give any name you can give. Then this is important. You see, ESP is there by default. You change it to Node MCU. ESP to Node MCU. See here. You select Node MCU as it is green. Okay. So Node MCU you make, or else address problem you will get. Wi-Fi will be there, and then create. Now you see this is your. I shall show you here. Authentication number has gone to your email ID. It is showing that here you see it has gone to that. Okay, it is gone. So that we will see further. First, let us see how do we create button. So you click once more. You see, I shall show you. You go to see after that I will show you. You go to this symbol plus symbol here, and there button you select. I want 3 buttons, 2 for LED and 1 for relay. So I have taken here 3 buttons. See this 3 buttons, and I want 2 gases, 2 meters where we can see temperature and humidity. So that is in another video. Let me open that video. Let me open that video first. I will have to go to desktop. Okay. So you see in this video, we take 1 meter I have taken. This is for temperature. Another I take for humidity. Now we have to give addresses. So I click first switch, we'll go to pin. Here you see, I have to take digital, and here D0. Here D0, you see, D0. Okay. After okay, you make it switch, then it will be toggle. Press continue on, press off. Then you do the same for 3 switches. Go to pin, digital, and D1. Done. Okay. Then you go to switch, back, go to third switch, pin, there D2. Okay. Switch, back. Now you go to this, and here you see pin and virtual key we want here. So virtual 5 and 6 as it is mentioned in program. So virtual key 5 is for temperature. Nothing else you have to do. Nothing change. Nothing you have to make change here. Go to another one, pin virtual, pin number 6 as it is mentioned in program. I will show you. Done. Back. So you see 3 switches and 2 gases we have taken. Done. Okay, fine. Now I shall share that software here. Here you see. Now authentication number we want, right? Authentication number we want here. Your Blink authentication code. Let me annotate it first. I don't know whether it is clearly shown or not. Here, authentication number. This is there in your email. So from there you copy. Now you can see another change is here. SSID means your Wi-Fi ID and Wi-Fi password. Wi-Fi ID and Wi-Fi password you have to give. Which Wi-Fi ID, which password? At your home or to your workplace where you have kept ESP, where you have kept Node MCU, their Wi-Fi user ID password is required. Fine. So I shall paste here authentication number. So you see, I have already copied. Oh, program has come. Fine. Wait. I will have to copy that first. So let me go to my email and let me copy that. Wait a minute, please. Here, I shall copy and will paste here. Here you see, this is the authentication number I got on my email. So whenever you create new project, it will send you authentication ID, authentication, whatever, leave it. Now you come to SSID. Here you have to give your user ID. Mine is HSU. And password I have to use here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever is there, 7, 8. Whatever user ID password you have to give. Here you see this thing, this D3 you see here. So your DHT module, this one, you have to connect to D3 as mentioned here. See, pin number 0. This pin number 0 is actually for your Arduino. And Arduino pin number will be different from ESP. So I have one in internet. If you will search Arduino pin and ESP pin, it will give you a list. So this is the number of pin for Arduino, and for those pin number, you have this D0, D1, whatever is there, it will show you there. So for pin number 0 of Arduino, your ESP pin will be D3. Okay. So here I have mentioned that D3 you have to use and to connect your DHT to Node MCU. Okay. So Node MCU D3 will be used for DHT module. Now you see, here you see virtual 5, virtual 6. It is written virtual 5, virtual key 5 to that meter you have given, no? That is for temperature. Virtual key 6 is for humidity. It is mentioned here. That is it. Now I have to send this to Arduino. Now you see, this is not to Arduino. I have to send to ESP. See here, this is ESP. As I shall connect this to USB port, it will give one blink. It means it is connected. So you can see there, you can notice there, right way. Just a minute. Yeah, it came. It had come. So one blink it has given. Done. So it is connected. It is connected. Now I shall send this program to this node MCU. And you know it takes time. First, okay, it is asking to save it. Let me save it with some name. I have saved. After save, you can see here. I shall annotate. Here you see. Here. Compiling sketch. So it takes time actually. It will take some time. See, compile has been almost done. Now it will send our program to this node MCU. So please wait. It will send. Just now it will start. See here, it has been blinking, correct? It has been blinking, and here you can see, here, here, below left corner, it will show you percentage. You can see, here you see, like that. So it is 100%. It is 100%. Okay. Okay, so you can see it has been done. And to this left corner, you can see here, I shall annotate once. Here you see 100% done. Here, 100%. So it has been sent to ESP. It takes some time. So you need to keep patience. So when it will be downloaded, its light will flicker. Okay, fine, let it be. Now I need to show you its execution. So I made connection. How did I make connection? To this node MCU, it will be written. It will be written here: D0, D1, D2, voltage, common, ground. It will be written to respective pin you have to connect. So where have I connected? Let me show you that here itself. Here itself, I can show you. So on node MCU, this is node MCU. You have pins here like this. You have pin here. You will have pin like this. So suppose first one is D0, then it will be D1, then D2, D3, D4, and then you have 3.3 volt, and you have ground, G and D, ground. So how have you to connect your LED? Suppose we have one LED. Suppose LED will have two pins. One will be small, another will be long. Long pin is positive. This is small one is negative. Correct. So your D0, you see, suppose from ground I take here. See, so this is for positive. Upper this big one will be positive. Actually, this will go to your D0, and small one will go to ground. Small pin will go to ground. Like that, you have to connect your another LED, as I have used two LED. So here again, small pin will go to this, and this is your big pin. So big pin will go to D1. Okay. Now relay I have connected. Relay connection I will show you separate. So I have connected to our node MCU. I have connected the things like this. So ground and the pins. This is your LED connection. Now let me show you your relay connection. So relay I have connected to D2. Okay. So from D2 we have here a relay. So relay will have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So one will go to source. It would be written here source, and then positive, negative. It needs 5-volt DC. I have used one Arduino actually. On Arduino, I have 5-volt and I have ground. So from Arduino 5-volt, I have given to its positive, and from Arduino ground, from Arduino 5-volt, I have given to plus. From Arduino ground, I have given minus. This is it. And if you have a lamp, how will you get this on? So here you will have line. No, don't say line. You can say NO. Here you have NC. So line supply will go to this NO. Just a minute. Better I send it to common. We can send to NO or common NA. And so it should go from one pin and should come out from another pin. So I have sent it to common, and from NO I have given to lamp. And lamp, another pin will go to another terminal will go to neutral. So line will go to common, from NO pin it will go to lamp, and neutral is there. This is the connection. This is the connection. Okay, done. So this is your connection for, instead of Arduino, any 5-volt DC source you can use here. Okay, now better I show you that video. Just a minute. Okay. So let me share. Okay, see here. See, this is your DHT11. This is the relay. This is relay. So I told you, I have not connected lamp. So this is node MCU. This is Arduino. These two pins you see. These two pins. These two pins I have used for positive and ground. 5-volt and ground I have taken from here. Here is blink. I open it. And here I have clicked. Here you see this run or play button. I press that. After run, you can see it has taken data. Just a minute, I'll show you. Here you see these two have taken data. Here I have 30 degrees Celsius temperature and 68 humidity. Here you see. After that, first I shall operate these two lamps. So here I press first switch. See, lamp is on. This LED is on. Then you go for another switch. Here you see another LED is on. Now you see relay. It will make a noise also. Here. See, one noise came, and here red indicator is on. Here this side LED lamp or any single phase output I have to connect. I have not connected. So you see relay is getting on off from that switch. See. See. Off. So all, let me get all on. 1, 2, and relay. All three on. And you can see 30 degrees Celsius, humidity 67%. So this is it. This is DH11, DHT11. Okay, done. So I hope it is clear. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Some other day I shall show you the connection of local area network. So this is global. Global means what? My node MCU will be connected to the given user ID password. Means to my home, I have my node MCU, suppose. So my node MCU will be always connected to the given Wi-Fi user ID password. It should be always connected. And my phone where I have Blink, that phone can be connected to any other network, and let it be I am in any state or I am out of country, and from anywhere I can operate this. This is it. Thank you very much.